All right, guys. So finishing out problem number 1 here. This is kind of how I think about the problem. So this is x plus 5. So the positive direction on the x-axis is over here, okay? This would be the negative direction. So if we're going in a positive direction, we're going to be moving to the right, okay? So this means we're moving to the right. And y plus 7, well, on the y-axis, this would be the positive direction right here, and this would be the negative direction. So we are moving up. So that's kind of how I think about it to set this problem up, because once you have the direction that you're moving, it's not that difficult. You're saying x plus 5, y plus 7. So we take this coordinate r, and we move it to the right 5, and we move it up 7. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and we get a new coordinate, and that new coordinate is going to be r prime. Okay, so this coordinate right here is r prime. Now we're going to do the same thing with the other 3 coordinates. So q, again, moving it to the right 5, up 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so that's going to be q prime. All right, s here. So going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is where our s prime value is going to be. And then we also have t. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so that is how we are, and make sure you're labeling your points so we don't get them confused. And if we connect the dots here, it looks like a rectangle. It's a rigid motion, so it's going to preserve the sides and the angle measures. So it's the same figure, we just slid it. All right, we moved it. So for this, the next part is we have to find the coordinates of q prime, r prime, s prime, and t prime. So if you look, q prime is going to be at -1, 6. R prime is going to be at 2, 8. S prime is going to be at 6, 2. And T prime is going to be at 3, 0. All right, so that's the other part that we're looking for. So we got to move the figure. It helps to put it on a graph paper, put it on Desmos, then find the coordinates. All right. So for number 2, this one we're doing x minus 3 and y plus 8. Okay, so negative direction is this way on the x-axis, positive direction is over here. So we're going to the left, and then y plus 8, again, positive direction in y, negative direction, we want the positive direction, so we're going to go up. So for this, we're going to the left 3, up 8, okay? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's going to be right there. That's going to be C prime, okay? Same thing for the rest of them, okay? So D, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and so that is going to be D prime. And guys, if I'm doing this on Desmos, I'm just counting with my finger. I'm just taking my finger across the screen and counting, okay? And then for E, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so it's going to be right there. So that's going to be E prime. All right, so we just connect the dots. And if this thing would, all right, oh, came back. All right, so if we look at the 2 triangles, they look similar because they are. We preserved those sides and angles. All right, it's a rigid motion. So in the next video, we'll figure out the coordinates and keep going.